Another day, another nickel box. Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to this coin roll hunting nickels video. I really hope that we're gonna have a great time unwrapping 40 rolls today. I hope we're gonna have fun, and most importantly, I hope that we're gonna find war nickels and buffalo nickels. Obviously, we're gonna be looking for silver, and if we find silver nickels, then that's gonna be a great hit. Before we get started though, please help me out and like this video and subscribe below so the YouTube algorithm can rank me higher and show my video to more people. Before we're gonna get started with this box, I want to give you guys a little bit of a rundown on the history of nickels. Firstly, we had the shield nickel from 1866 to 1883. Then we had the Liberty Hat nickel from 1883 to 1913. Followed by the Buffalo nickel from 1913 to 1938, and then we had the Jefferson nickel from 1938 to 1964. And during that time, guys, we also had silver war nickels, and those were struck from 1942 to 1945, and those are 35% silver. And then obviously we also have the Jefferson modified nickel. What's our game plan for this box? Well, we're gonna be keeping all coins, all nickels before the year 1960. We're also gonna be keeping nickels from 2009 because 2009 was a low mintage year for all coins. And if we can find any error coins, anything that's rare, obviously we're gonna keep it, right? But we're gonna have to look into those coins a little bit more to be able to see that. I'm excited. Let's open up this box now. Guys, this is gonna be my favorite part. I'm gonna be opening up this box and I can't wait. Let's do it. It was a little bit hard, but I'm getting there. Voila. One thing I forgot to tell you guys before you open up any nickel box, in fact, before you accept the box at your bank, make sure that you're actually looking at circulated nickels. As you can see here, this is definitely a box of circulated nickels. If it was a box of uncirculated nickels, I would probably not accept it and ask for a new box. Let's do this, guys. Voila! I am not seeing any war or buffalo nickels yet, but again, we don't know what's on the inside. Roll number one. Nothing in this roll, on to the next. We opened up 10 rolls so far, and we found 4 coins that we're gonna keep. 1946, 1953, 1958, and a beautiful 1980D nickel. We opened up 5 more rolls and we found a 1988D nickel, and it's in very high grade, so we're gonna keep it. We opened up 20 rolls so far, that's 800 coins, and here's what we got. We got another 1946 nickel, so just 1 year off from silver, and we also found the first 2009 nickel. Guess what, guys? I opened up 1 more roll and we found 3 more nickels. 2 from the 50s, 1957 and 1959, and another 2009D nickel. Yo guys, we're halfway through and we had 2 more findings. A 1947 nickel, so that's just 2 years off from silver. Hopefully we're gonna find some silver nickels today. I really hope so. I'm praying for it because I know that you guys would love to see that on video as much as I want to find them in person. And here we have found a 1959 nickel, and it's in pretty good shape, guys. I mean, it's shiny, it has some minimal scratches, got a little spot here. Let's flip it, you will see. Wow, it's in really high grade. So not a bad find if you ask me, and we're gonna keep going. We just found our first 1940 nickel, and I found another 1955 nickel as well. I know, still no silver, but we're getting closer, and hopefully we will have a little bit more luck in the next rolls. Just another 1940 nickel, still no silver. Hey guys, we're almost done here. As you can see, we only have like 10 rolls left or so, and I had a couple more findings, which I'm gonna show you right now. I just found the first nickel from the 30s. Here you can see we got a 1939 nickel, a 1948 nickel, 1952, and 1958. We just found our first 1942 nickel. Let's flip it. Unfortunately, there's no mint mark, so it's not a silver nickel. No more findings so far, but the good thing is that we still have 3 rolls left. And the only question that I have to these 3 rolls is there any silver inside here? That's a maybe. We'll open them up to see. Let's summarize what we found. 1 1939, 1 1940, 1942, 2 1946, 1 1947, 1948, 1952, 2 1953, 1954, 1955, 57, 58. Then we have 3 1959, especially the nice one here. It's beautiful. 1980D, 1988D, and 3 2009D nickels. While we didn't find any silver nickels today, we did find 1 nickel from the 30s and several nickels from the 40s, as well as a couple newer nickels that are in really good condition. If you enjoyed how I unwrapped these rolls and would like to watch more of my coin roll hunting videos, then please subscribe to my channel below to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.